Hi, this is Russell from YK Communications. We hope that you and your family are safe after the recent storm. We know how important it is to get back to normal, and we're here to help every step of the way.
One important thing to keep in mind during a hurricane is power outages. When your home loses power, your YK Communication services such as internet, security systems, and other technologies will not work.
If you have generator power at your home or office, you can connect your YK provided equipment and your services will be operational.
As soon as power is restored, give your equipment 5 to 10 minutes for it to come back online. We do not recommend resetting your equipment or making any changes.
Once power is restored, the batteries for your voice, internet, and security services will beep. This is perfectly normal. They'll need a little bit of time to recharge. If after a few hours they continue to beep, please contact our office for options for silencing and scheduling a service call.
In the event of an extended power outage or damage to your building, you can easily forward your business phone number to a cell phone or an alternate location so that you can stay connected with your customers.
And remember, after the storm, you can stay informed by checking our Facebook page for the latest network status updates. You can reach out to us 24/7 by calling us at 361-771-3334 or web chat at ykc.com.